How to react to videos or recreate. If you want to create content using other people's video, you just have to re-edit it or react to it so that it will look different from the original video, so that Facebook or whatever social media platform you want to post the video, they will not flag you for reused content or unoriginality of content. So what you will do now, I want to teach us this time how to re-edit or react to video on inshot. So now I'll look for my inshot app. I'll click on it. Oh, I have been doing something before. Let me start afresh. Now I click on video and I click on new. Now you can see here, this is my video files. This is my photo file. Okay, now I go to my video file. I will look for that particular video I want to react to or re-edit. I will click on it. As I clicked on it now, I will select and click on this green symbol here, and now it is on my timeline. So you can see the menu here. They have several things here and canvas and all that. So now I don't want to make this video too long, so I click on canvas because this size is 16 by 9. I want to click on 4 by 5 because this is the aspect I want to use, so that there will be space. You can see this black place here is the space that is remaining. So I click on this good to make it effective. Now what I will do now, I will look for PIP. PIP means picture in picture. In CapCut, it is called overlay. So now I click on PIP. I will look for what I want to use to add as a kind of re-editing the video. I'll go to my photos. I want to use photo. I'll look for a picture. Let me use this man of God's picture now, and I drag it here. I can expand it by dragging the arrow at the right hand side, bottom right hand side, to fit the space I want it to fit. Now you can see there's another space there. Before that, you can see the image did not start from beginning. So what I will do, I will click on the image like this, hold on it and drag it to the beginning. You can see it's already on the beginning, in the beginning of the video, and you can see when it gets to this point it disappears because it's short. So what I'll do now is to click on the image again. I'll click on this arrow at the right hand side of the image, and I will click video end so that it will stretch to the end of the video ends. So if you can see now, the image has stretched to the end with ease. I think it's only this InShot that has such features. If it's other feature, you just click on that arrow at the end of the image and drag it to the end. You drag the image to the end. So now there's a space here. I will try and put another image on the video so that to fill in that space. So I'll go to that PIP again, PIP plus. So now I'll look for another thing I'll put there. Let me go to videos this time. Now I'll look for a video I'll put there. I click on this video. I think this is the airplane. I'll click on it and drag it to fit in the space that is left. As you can see again, I did not start it from the beginning, so I will drag this video to the beginning of the video. I will just drag it because this one is a video. I cannot do as I did in the first video, in the first image I put inside this video. So now as I click here, I click and say video end. It cannot go because it's a short video, and you cannot do more than that. So now what I want to do now is to come to the ending part of the video here, and I'll click, or let me just go to the beginning and to the middle. I'll click on freeze. I'll look for freeze. I will click freeze. freeze. Okay, as you can see, the image has been freezed. So now what I will do now, I will drag this freeze image out to the other side of the video. Now I will close this gap. I will join the two videos together now. Okay, the two videos now joined. Now this place now I can drag it and put it at the ending of the video here. Now this is an image because I freezed it. What I will do now is to click on this arrow now and click video end. It will now stretch to the end of the video. But if you have the time and you can, since this video is just short that I downloaded, you can just continue, just be putting it as picture in picture, plus you add it to the end, but that's a waste of time. So let me just freeze it like this. So if you have any other question to ask concerning this, you can ask me on the comment section. So that is just that, how to add it, add pictures or video to re-edit so that to different from the other video. So now once I'm done, I click on this good sign here, and I'll click on export at the top right hand corner of my phone, and I will click on export and it will start exporting.